Let's have a look at a commission sum which is going to be calculated after charging the adjustments as interest on capital and salary. So the sum goes as Anthony and Ranjit started a business on 1st April 2018 with capitals of 4 lakh and 3 lakh. So the two partners are Anthony and Ranjit and their capitals are given. According to the partnership deed, Anthony is to get a salary. So salary of Anthony is given. That is 90,000 per annum. Ranjit is to get 25% commission on profit after allowing salary to Anthony and the interest on capital of 5%. But after charging such commission, profit sharing ratio between the two partners is 1:1. When it is 1:1, it is called half, equal share, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. During the year, the firm earned a profit of 3,65,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So we are going to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. The firm closes its account on 31st March of every year. So let's start the profit and loss appropriation account. So now I have the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019 with me. So let's start with the profit and loss appropriation account. The first item always to be recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account is the net profit. So the net profit will be recorded on the credit side by net profit. So in this sum, if we see, the net profit is 3,65,000. So we finished recording the net profit. Now we are going to go inside the sum again once more, and each item by item we are going to record it. So the first item over there is Anthony's salary. A salary is an expense, therefore it will come on the debit side. So to Anthony's salary. So Anthony's salary is 90,000. Next we have is Ranjit's commission. Commission paid is also an expense. Therefore that also comes on the debit side. So to Ranjit's commission. But we do not know how much is Ranjit's commission. Therefore we are going to box it and keep it for now. So we have to find Ranjit's commission. Next we have is interest on capital. Interest on capital also will come on the debit side. So to interest on capital. So we are going to prepare the interest on capital for each partner. So let's start with Anthony. So while doing Anthony, we can do the calculation below it, or we can do the calculation separately after the profit and loss appropriation account also as a working note. So Anthony's capital given in the problem is 4 lakh rupees. So 4 lakh into the percentage of interest is 5 divided by 100. So 4 lakhs into 5 by 100, when you cancel the two zeros, you will get 4,000 into 5. So which will be rupees 20,000 for Anthony. Next we are going to do the interest on capital for the next partner, who is Ranjit. So Ranjit's capital is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs into 5 by 100. So cancelling the two zeros, we will get 3,000 into 5. So 3,000 into 5 will give us 15,000 for Ranjit. So we are going to add the two and put it in the outer column. So 20,000 plus 15,000 is 35,000 for interest on capital. So we have recorded all the items which they have given over there. So now main goal will be to find the commission, the Ranjit's commission. So we are going to balance it, subtract it, and we are going to charge the commission on that value. So we are going to first balance it. So the balance on the credit side is 3,65,000, and when we add 90,000 and 35,000, we get 1,25,000 on the debit side. So 3,65,000 minus 1,25,000 will be 2,40,000. So using the 2,40,000, we are going to calculate Ranjit's commission. So I'm going to open out the calculation for Ranjit's commission also over there. So the answer which we got out of the subtraction of the credit side and the debit side is 2,40,000 into the percentage for Ranjit's commission is 25%. So when it is charged after allowing the salary and interest on capital, the formula will be net profit after charging salary and commission, salary and interest on capital into the rate divided by 100 plus the rate. So when I add it, I will get 125 as my denominator. So now after cancelling, we get a commission of 48,000. Now we are going to balance it and get the share of profit or the loss. So again we are going to balance it. So 3,65,000 on the credit side, whereas the debit side we already added the 90,000 and the 35,000 and we got 1,25,000. Now Ranjit's commission is also added along. So plus 48,000, we get 1,73,000. So the greatest total is our credit side total, which is 3,65,000. So put that as a grand total on both the sides. Our least side is the debit side. So there you're going to record the share of profit. So 2 share of profit. The share of profit is going to be divided among Anthony and Ranjit. So Anthony's capital account and Ranjit's capital account. Now we are going to divide this in the ratio which is given in the problem. So the ratio is 1:1. So let me show you the calculation of the ratio. So Anthony and Ranjit are sharing it in the ratio of 1:1. So first thing, add this one and the other one. So you will get 2. So now for Anthony, it is going to be, the first one is going to be for Anthony and the second one is going to be for Ranjit. So Anthony, it is going to be 1/2. That is nothing but half. And for Ranjit, it's going to be, Ranjit's share is 1. So 1/2. So this is how we are going to split it up. The share of profit which we get from subtracting the 3,65,000 and the debit side total 1,92,000. So this profit is going to be divided in the ratio 1:1 for Anthony and Ranjit. So the profit which we got was 1,92,000. So we are going to see the share of profit for Anthony. So Anthony's share of profit is 1,92,000 into 1/2. That is the share of profit, the ratio which they have given. So let's divide it in 2 timetables. So 2 goes once, 19 goes 9 times. That is 2 9s are 18. Remainder 1. So now this is 12. 12 goes 6 times. Therefore, the 3 zeros which we didn't multiply. So Anthony's share is 96,000. Likewise, when we look at Ranjit, so Ranjit is the same 1,92,000 into, again Ranjit also 1:1, so 1/2. So cancel the 2 and you get the same 96,000 on top. So Anthony's share of profit is 96,000 and Ranjit's share of profit is 96,000. We get 96,000 for Anthony and we get 96,000 for Ranjit. When we add it, we should get back the total net profit, which is 1,92,000.